Welcome back to Law Tech Tips at Santa Clara Law. My name is Andrew, and today we'll be going over what remote support looks like on a macOS machine. Let's get into it. First, you want to open up a browser and navigate to law.scu.edu/lawtech. Once you're there, go ahead and scroll to about the middle of the page under Get Help and click on the QuickSupport link. It should start a download of a TeamViewer QS.zip file. Go ahead and launch that. Then it should open in the Finder, and you should see this TeamViewer QuickSupport file. Go ahead and launch that. You should see a window asking if you're sure if you want to open the file. Go ahead and click on Open. And if you don't see anything pop up, click on this TeamViewer icon, this blue box with the arrows pointing in opposite directions, and click on that. And it will have the disclaimer saying you're about to enter into a remote session, and it's going to generate a random session code, and then you'll see the box come up. It'll auto-populate your name, but you can also change this if you like. And at this point, you want to give us a call. Once you reach out to the technician, just let them know you launched TeamViewer and you are in the queue, and then we'll go ahead and find you. A technician will assign it, and then go ahead and send the remote control request. And then on your end, you'll see a message asking if you're sure if you want to allow the connection. Click on Allow. And here's where we got to do a little extra. So you will have to enable some access for accessibility and full disk access. So click on the Request Access button and open System Preferences. Go ahead and unlock the window and click on TeamViewer QuickSupport, and then click on Full Disk Access, and also check on the TeamViewer QuickSupport box as well, and you can click on Later to that box. If it's not there, you can click on the plus and then just navigate to the downloads where you launch the file. If it was documents or desktop, in this case it's downloads, so I would click it there and click on Open, and then it would show up, and then you can add the checkbox. Okay, and then at this point, now we are connected. As the technician, I can see your desktop. I can move things around, assist with any questions you have. You can kind of navigate to where you're having trouble, and then we can work through it together. And also, you'll notice the background goes gray. That's how you know you're connected to a remote session. So I'm going to end this session shortly, and then you should see it go back to normal. Yeah, here we are back on the end user side, and so you got your regular desktop, and your computer is yours once again. Go ahead and quit that out. And on the technician side, they go ahead and remove you from the service queue, and you're all cleared out. And so here you can also save this file for later if you want to copy it to your desktop or documents. It just saves you time from having to go to the website and download it again. Not mandatory, totally up to you. That's just more if you want to save a little time. Because every time you launch it, it does generate a random session code. So the only time we're connecting is when you launch that. Give us a call and let us know you're in the queue. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to take a look at some of our frequently asked questions, head over to lawhelpdesk.scu.edu for more information. See you on the next one.